Hey everyone, so there is an eyeshadow technique that most people do not know and one that enhances your own eye shape. So if you can, please like and share this video. Thank you. Now eyeshadow is the one thing that I struggle with as a makeup artist. I am not an artistic person and I needed to find alternative ways to do things. Then it dawned on me, it is easier to trace than draw. That's when I came up with this 5-step process to enhance your eye shape. Step 1, use a lighter shade and sweep it from lash line to brow bone. This clarifies the entire lid. Don't go too light. You need to think of this as your canvas. Step 2, this is where the magic happens. Take a deeper shade on a small brush. Now trace the outline of your actual eyeball. Don't go above the crease and don't blend it yet. I know it looks harsh right now, but trust the process. When you open your eye, you should barely be able to see it. The reason we keep it here is because everything you blend extends. Step 3, grab a tissue and align it with the outer corner of your eye to the end of your eyebrow. This is your guideline. This also prevents that droopy effect that we all hate. Step 4, now we blend that harsh line using windshield wiper motions and a blending brush. Go back and forward until it softens. Watch how it transforms. Keep going until it has a soft, smoky effect. Now, depending on the shade, it might take a moment, so be patient. Step 5, lightly blend upward near the end of your eye and towards the brow bone to soften. Apply lashes or mascara and you're done. Your eye shape perfected. This technique works because you're following your natural shape instead of fighting it. And the tissue trick alone will change your life. If you want to make it more evening, apply a deeper shade, again, tracing your eyeball. Follow the same method, blend and extend. This will give you a more dramatic nighttime effect. And the results will look both stunning and natural. You see, you're not bad at eyeshadow, you just didn't know the right method. And now you do. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed that video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. And I don't use any filters in my videos.